Blutbart.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. This week I'll show you how to make a back alley. I call this shot, I Can Fix Him. For this shot I used Anakin Skywalker and 2 Pit Droids from Hasbro's Star Wars The Black Series. One of my favorite character traits of Anakin Skywalker before he turned to the dark side was just how willing he was to help other people, even at his own expense. I thought a good way to show that would be to take a photo of him helping fix a droid that most other living beings would simply throw away. I began my setup by placing a few crates on my sandy ground. These would be Anakin's makeshift operating table. The wrench accessory was borrowed from my tech action figure. Next, I placed one Pit Droid on the table as a patient and the other Pit Droid in the background, looking worried for his friend. With my toys in place, I built the rest of the scene around them. Most of my scenery was 3D printed and painted by hand, but I also placed a wall in the background made out of a styrofoam cooler. To make the scene feel more lived in, I added a few passerby in the background. Here's my starting image. Not a whole lot of editing was needed, just a few basic tweaks and touch-ups. I began by using the healing brush tool to remove the gaps around my door frame. I printed the door slightly too large, so I had to hold it in place with tape, which wasn't very secure and let some light through. Next, I removed the articulation joints on Anakin with the healing brush tool and content aware fill. After that, I added a levels adjustment layer. I wanted to brighten up the image considerably because even though they were in a shady back alley, they were still on the bright desert planet of Tatooine. I also added a color balance adjustment layer. Following that, I used the dodge and burn tools to further refine the lighting on my subject's face. Then I added a vignette to darken up the corners and cropped the image just a bit. A little more dodging and burning, and I was done. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and make sure to check me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time.